Hello, I'm your instructor Salman Agha from Agha Academy. Today's topic is part of speech. Let's start. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Part of speech. A part of speech is a term used in traditional grammar for one of 8 main categories into which words are classified according to their function in sentences, also known as word class. In English, the main part of speeches are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, and interjection. That's it. I hope you have understood easily. If you have any confusion or question, ask me in comment or send an email, please. Next tutorial will be noun. To watch more videos, subscribe to my channel. Please click on subscribe now. Like, comment, and please share this tutorial. See you next topic. Bye.